Hello, today I'm making pea and mint soup. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. 3 cups of potatoes, 3 cups of peas, 1 cup of onion, and salt and pepper. And finally, 2 teaspoons of dried mint. Large pot with oil inside of it. Medium heat, everything goes in. Cook for 6 minutes. One and a half liters of water. Bring it to the boil. Now it's boiling. Cook for 6 or 7 more minutes. Turn off the heat. Now it's the fun part. So satisfying. And there is my pea and mint soup. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.